A message to Sergeant Jeremiah Musa. Your case don't reach my table. If you don't want change for those things when you they do, I go spoil your lineage. They need to investigate you. All those things when you they do as a detailing clerk for that 4th brigade. If you don't change the way when you take the misuse soldiers, you take the follow soldier up, other rank like you up, you they sell other rank, they give officers, main officers they use less hand. If you not stop, I go spoil your name. And your name don't already spoil. For you to the collect money to the detail soldier for outside duty, you are a wicked sergeant. You are a disgrace to other rank. You are a disgrace to senior NCO cadre. You are a disgrace. You are a wicked human being. So you are now collecting money to detail soldier for outside duty, and after 2 to 3 months before they go, you pay the allowances. Giving soldier 1,500, while services feeding money is 3,000 in a day. You are happy. You are happy that your comrade they are crying. You betrayed the oath that you people took together, to the extent that you know senior NCO that senior you, warrant officer and master warrant, they are under you. When we say they are under you, they senior you because they put you there as Iyaru Mekeu. You are collecting money for soldier to detail soldier for outside duty. You are pushing soldier for officer to misuse. You are pushing soldier for officer to maltreat. Then why you are happy? You are extorting money from the poor soldiers to enrich yourself and your family. Don't you see? Even though they try you, they give you feed rank. Don't you see how your wickedness is even more than your commander? I'm talking to you, Sergeant Jeremiah Musa. No wonder that you can be able to build this kind of house. You build this kind of house here. You are storing money. Let me tell you, be careful. Be careful. If you don't stop collecting money from soldiers, if you don't stop collecting money from burial, sending military vehicle to there, if you don't stop collecting money from marriage, you and Captain Vio or Motosho, you gang together, they will send you. You now go deploy soldier there. Why you now face to deploy that motor for changing of guard? The changing of guard. Now they go pay their own transport to their guard location. If you don't stop collecting money from burial, you now go send healers there, make they go secure the burial. You now collect money, they do ekelebe. If you don't stop collecting money for wedding, send army vehicle there. Because when I don't collect money, I don't do ekelebe. If you don't stop sending army vehicle to follow Yahoo boys, go any occasion when they go, you now go collect money, now they do ekelebe. If you now not stop, you and Captain Vio or Motosho and your commander, Brigadier General Oduyebo, if you now not stop, I go push you now to war for this Benin. I go push you now to war for this Benin. So you are collecting money, all those ekelebe money. You are enriching yourself, your wife and your children. Why soldier like you, senior NCO like you, NCO like you, that they suffer for inside barrack, the same barrack, no water, no light, and you are happy. And your wife and children, they not dey inside that barrack. You dey for outside barrack. You dey collect ekelebe money, take the build house. You dey collect ekelebe money, take the do things, only you and your wife. Why the rest? They suffer. Let me ask you, Sergeant Jeremiah Musa, if they leave the army work for you for inside this Benin, for inside this 4th brigade, you and Captain Vio or Motosho with Brigadier and Odeyebo, una go fit do the army work with those money one they collect. With those money one they collect for checking point and the ekelebe money one overstay. No wonder say you don't dey for that detailing clerk for over 5 years. All the commander when they come, they push you. Say, easy, work with him. He's a good clerk. He's a good clerk. Another person go come work with you. You are a good clerk. Not knowing that now this Guluma and this Yaro Mekeu and betraying of soldier to officer to enslave them. Now be your work for inside this brigade. I come to tell you, be careful. I come to warn you, be careful. Sergeant Jeremiah Musa, be careful. You are enslaving soldier like you to enrich yourself. Because this house when you build, even cap yourself, you don't get the money. When you go to build down. Because those ekelebe one they do. No wonder I call somebody for brigade when I want to do my father burial. I say, I need security to see my village. You say, now money, you go pay money. No wonder. True. When I connect for Auchi to my father's burial, I really pay money. They don't stay past 2 hours. Me, a service soldier, they don't stay for my place past 2 hours. And I pay money for fuel. I buy fuel. I buy drink, food, wine. They don't stay reach 2 hours, they go. But una go fee attend to civilian. Because civilian don't give you 1 million. No wonder I go see marriage inside this building. I go see soldiers, 2 years. I go see 2 years. Echoed. Not knowing that una don't collect ekelebe money. Una don't collect money. And the soldier wanna go send to that place. Una not go even give them 1 naira. Now only that drink and rice when they will chop for them. Now be the soldier belly. Why the money goes to your pocket? Then from your pocket now, you submit them to Captain View or Motor Shop. Now from Captain View or Motor Shop, I go submit them to Brigadier General Odeyebo. Una don't spoil Bini. Una go learn from my hand. Stop this corrupting. Stop extorting money from villagers. Stop extorting money from the people of Edo State. Stop extort money from motorists. Collective bribe in the Nigerian army is a grievance for some. But Brigadier General E.O. Odeyebo is collective bribe in Edo State. Is collective bribe. He now has commander checking point. And you, the detailing clerk, you are instigating, telling him everything. Guluma, Yarumekeu, collecting money from citizens that you're supposed to secure. Then enriching yourself while other soldiers, other your comrades, they are suffering. You are shining as if the work is only meant for you. You only duty and you don't go to duty. You don't go to sentry. And they lock senior SO like you for guard room. Why they abandon their men? Lucky senior SO for guard room. You know they pay you. You know they feel remorse. You are laughing. You are enjoying. Be careful. And they monitor you. And they watch you anywhere when you do. Don't think I know they see you.